Hello everyone, my name is Ranjita Chaudhary and I head product marketing at Litmus. For most of us in the industrial and manufacturing world, the Purdue model is not unknown. Today, I wanted to talk to you about a hybrid approach to that model, a network architecture that combines the traditional Purdue model with modern edge computing to improve performance, reliability, and security. Most importantly, it serves industrial IoT use cases where we need to work with data in near real time for actionable insights. In the traditional Purdue model, each layer is isolated from others using security measures such as firewalls and others. The hybrid model, which is all about edge computing, brings computation and data storage closer to the sources of data. Because today's modern connected systems produces tons of data that can deliver value right away, even before we send that data to cloud for business analytics or advanced processing. That's where the question begins. Could we weave in some flexibility to the Purdue model so that we can enable data collection and enrichment at each of its layers? And the answer is edge cascading. Edge cascading is a specific approach to edge computing that can be used to implement a hybrid Purdue model in manufacturing. Imagine if you could deploy a series of edge devices at each of the levels in the Purdue model. Each edge device communicates with the devices above and below it in the hierarchy. This creates a cascading effect that allows data to be processed and decisions to be made as close to the source of the data as possible. The benefits are obvious. Doing more at the edge means reduced amount transmitted over the network, improving bandwidth and reducing latency. Edge cascading allows decisions to be made closer to the source of the data. Edge cascading can be scaled to meet the needs of any manufacturing operation. Simply add or remove an edge device as needed. From predictive maintenance, quality control to process optimization, edge cascading can serve in an n number of use cases. So you can improve security, performance, reliability while also reducing your cost. Well, check out our next video to see how you can easily implement edge cascading using Litmus Edge. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to our channel for similar videos. Until next time, let's keep doing more with data the right way.